In this quick video, I'm about to show you guys how you can set song as a ringtone. So let's get started. So first thing is that you need to have song or whatever music in your phone, and then you need to go to setting of this phone. So you can swipe down if you guys are on Samsung and tap on the setting icon, and you should be on the setting. Now try to find like sounds and vibration. So this is what you need to tap on. So tap that one, and then simply go to ringtone. So from here you are not able to see any kind of music going on here. It's going to show you only stock music that Samsung provide. So to use mp3 or sounds that you own, you need to tap on this plus icon, and there we go. You can now see it's opening the sound picker so that you guys can choose any songs you wanted to. So for example, let's say I wanted to put this Hotel California.
Stab it with this stealing eyes, but they.
And also you can see that it is now playing this highlight only. So if you don't want it to play highlights only, you can untap this. Then the song will be played from beginning of this song. So yeah, this is it. So if you want to play highlight, then it's completely up to you. So let's select highlight and then done. So this is how you set the ringtone. Now whenever somebody call you, this song will be playing on your phone instead of Samsung Galaxy or whatever stock the ringtone that you guys have. And it's that simple to set song as the ringtone. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.